Sometimes people come into your life for a reason. You may not know it at first, but later you understand they were there to teach you something. Lucy didn't understand it either when she met John. At that time, Lucy had a job. It was stable, but she didn't really enjoy it. Every day she felt the same. She was tired, stuck, and unsure about her future. Then John came into her life. He offered her a new job. When Lucy heard the news, she felt excited and relieved. She thought, maybe this is my chance. Maybe this is the sign I was waiting for. So she decided to quit her job. A short time later, John called her again. He said the position was no longer available. Just like that, Lucy was unemployed. At first, she felt shocked, scared, and yes, also felt angry. It was easy to blame John. After all, he was the one who offered the job first. But after some time, Lucy realized something important. She didn't quit because of John. She quit because she was already unhappy. She had wanted to leave for a long time. She was just waiting for a reason. John didn't push her to leave. He was just the trigger, the pause, the turning point. John was not the villain of her story. He was just the person who helped Lucy see the truth. Some moments don't give answers, they give direction. Lucy began to listen to herself. Losing that job opportunity was painful. Being unemployed was scary, but it also forced me to stop and think. What do I really want? What kind of life do I want to build? Some decisions look like they are caused by others, but the truth is, they are already inside us. I made a choice I was already ready to make. Sometimes people come into your life, not to save you, not to stay, not to give you what you expect, but to help you see who you are. And for that reason, I don't blame John, because sometimes the hardest moments are the ones that help us grow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.